What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger, man. We got a Volted update today. Got to go over a few things, and then I also want to take a look under the hood at the charts, show y'all a few, technical pattern that's forming on the chart right now, and what this means for Voteinu. And also, I want y'all to add this to your repertoire of knowledge, so that way you can become a better informed investor. So, salute to y'all. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Shout out to everybody that's truly voted in the community, man. So, again, shout out to Vatoshi for sharing my last video. If you didn't see this one, it's Voteinu Catalyst coming. You must not miss. We talked about everything coming up from the Volti cars, from the Steam rollout. We talked about the first VDSC buyback or payout. We talked about things coming up on stage 5. We talked about the OKX wallet integration with Volti Change. We talked about a lot of things in this video. You want to check it out, man. Volti car is on the way. I did order that. I will be reviewing that, so stay tuned for that as well. Shout out to Vatoshi. Says, you know, the utility is Volted when even exchanges can use it. More info to come. So we got to connect the dots right there and pay attention to what Vatoshi is saying. He's saying our utility is so voted that even exchanges are looking to use it. Now, we've seen OKX wallet basically add Volti Change to their site or integrate it with what they're doing, so that way you can now buy, sell, hold, transfer, do all that in one. Now, to see another exchange interested in doing this, that's very interesting. So let's ponder on that. Keep in mind, that an exchange is looking to use some utility from the Volt Army. So I'm thinking that's going to be Volti Change. Let me know what in the comment section what y'all think that is. Shout out to Jazz as well as all the other Voteinu influencers, keeping everybody voted up. And then Vatoshi says, what will be your first purchase with the Volti card? So mine's most likely, I'm here in Las Vegas. I most likely will be going shopping or something like that. So it might be some clothes, some shoes, I'm not sure. Something out, maybe even some food. I don't know. So I will be documenting that process though, and showing y'all exactly how it works, how simple it is, just to encourage some of y'all that might not know, how it's going to play out or how it'll work, or if it's really true. I'm going to be showing you. So also shout out to Crypto Latina. And then Now Node said, calling all Vote family. As Vote is growing, we continue to support our great friends on the mass adoption journey. Let's expand the ecosystem together and create something sickening and voting. So that's very, very bullish to see a crypto company tapping into the community, asking, let's work together, let's build something. Reason why that's a good sign, because it shows that they're, they have value in Vote, but also they're interested in what the community actually wants. Because if they build with the community is going to tell, what do we want to see? What can we use? What will make our investing journeys easier? And it looks like Now Knows wants to work to bring that forward. So shout out to Now Knows for that. Also, Vatoshi says 99% of the people seeing Vote today will wait tomorrow before they start voting. So Vatoshi basically letting you know only 1% basically of the people in Vote are in right now. Probably less than that. You got to remember, this is very, very early. Shout out to Believes as well. But, Vote, 15 months, maybe 16 months now. We probably just hit that 16th month, but still a very, very young project. Got to remember how many years it took Doge to really take off. Shibainu was a special case because, Elon and all, the bull market all at the right time. But Voteinu, once the bull market does return, is going to take off, y'all. I strongly believe in this. I told y'all, I believe Voteinu easily will be at $1 billion market cap one day. Anything that's a legit project with real utility, real community, under $1 billion market cap, that's a steal, y'all. So, congratulations to those that are already in. Congratulations to those that will be in the future. Just hopefully you get to get in as close as possible to now. But remember, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. So, BSC Daily says Vote has established Volti card, a physical card and a virtual card. No ID required for that virtual version. So, if you do not want to do a KYC, you don't want to submit your address, phone number, ID, you can get the virtual card and still be able to use this card anywhere that Visa is basically accepted. So that's super dope right there. Votoshi says it's always good. It always feels good to be an Inu. And then remember, we had this contest going on for the next 25 days, giving away $100 in Ethereum to one person. Rules: follow, join the Telegram, like and retweet this tweet, add some vote emojis to your name, and tag 2 friends. I'm going to retweet this for those of you that want to participate. And, it just helps bring more awareness to the Vote Army, get more people excited about what's going on. So congratulations to Giuseppe Rack 88 who won the last giveaway. Please DM us your ETH address to get your prize. So shout out. You see, Vatoshi is really giving out these prizes. When he says this, he's not just capping, y'all. So also something big going on in Australia here. Australia is voting once again with dozens of backpacks featuring Vote ads in Sydney and Melbourne for a whole month. Wherever you are, whatever you do, we will come to vote with you. Sheesh. Take a look at this right here. Got the backpacks with the QR codes. You know, obviously people will be scanning these. People are going to be curious, like, what is this? So it's Vote the New Sheep, voteinu.in. That's dope right there. Glad to see us global, you know, finding, you know, not just the large ways to, you know, promote and market. Votoshi actually gets in the crevices, you know, in the street where the people are, you know, gets in front of people, you know, to really bring Vote in front of these people, just to give them the opportunity to be able to join us, man. Absolutely brilliant. Also, he says, good morning. How voltage are you today? Then we got Hotbit News saying 200 random fans share 800 million vote gifts from Voteinu forums. Follow us, join the Telegram, both Telegrams, Hotbit and Voteinu. Like and retweet, tag 3 friends, 4 million vote to 10 different people, it appears. So make sure y'all tap in with that contest as well. I'm gonna be retweeting all these contests because I want to give you all the opportunities to get as much free vote as possible. So also shout out to Optimum Hustle voting it up. L Bank says vote airdrop 100 lucky winners share 1,000. Sheesh. So that's you know, a nice giveaway to, you know, get 100 different people excited about Voteinu. I like to see that right there. Shout out to L Bank. Also, I encourage y'all to come participate in this as well. If you tag me in it and you participate, I will retweet it, you know, try to get you some more awareness on that tweet. So Vitoshi says one can never vote. Shout out to Mike the Investor, says getting vote under $100 million market cap will be a crazy story in a bull run. Absolutely. Like I told you, I believe Voteinu under $1 billion market cap is an absolute steal. So let's see. Doge and She will forever have paved the way. We will vote and burn the way from here. Gotta you know, be bullish on that. Think about it. Elon Musk just changed the Twitter logo to the Doge or Shiba Inu dog, which is bullish for Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. And then Voteinu is right behind the pack, you know, coming up from that. I think we can potentially see some type of incorporation or some type of mention in the future from Elon Musk. Not saying we need it, but you got to think about this is a voted project. Elon Musk has Teslas, really big on, you know, electricity. And I just think eventually we're going to see, you know, some type of cross promotion between either these 3 coins or, you know, just some mention from Elon on the Twitter side. So looking forward to that. Let's see. Shout out to Crypto Latina as well, voting it up with her daily stream. Then we got Believes as well. Shout out to him, talking about the Hotbit and L Bank giveaway. So major giveaways in this video. Make sure you tell a friend and tell a friend, like, hey, you know, if you're listening to this or you got a family member, you know, that may want some free cryptocurrency, tell them about the Voteinu giveaway. So that way they can participate and possibly get into Voteinu without even having to buy some coins, y'all. So did you know that VotiChange is one of the few, if not the only place where you can make Doge become deflationary by trading it? Super, super bullish right there. Think about it. Doge is not a deflationary asset, but it can become one using VotiChange. And a lot of people in the Doge community would like Doge to be deflationary. So as they hear about this, learn about this, they may be encouraged just to do their, you know, it's not going to be probably some mega campaign around this, but they may just want to do their part by using VotiChange to trade Doge just to reduce the supply some. Not saying it's going to do a whole lot with one person doing it, but as more people do it, you know, those efforts can really ramp up. So also shout out to Jake. Says he's partnering with Voteinu on our Twitter space. Join us for all the voted updates and enter to win $500 of vote. So retweet this tweet, follow these individuals here, and you know, you might have a chance to win right there. So shout out to Jake. Shout out to Hinot Crypto as well. So Votoshi says a voted review from our Turkish member VoTV about the recently launched Voti card. Make sure to support him, as we wouldn't vote that much without our Turkish community. So shout out to the Turkish community. Shout out to Voti TV. Salute over there, everybody out there in Turkey. Vatoshi says if they knew what powers the people. So Elon power, Doge power, Tesla power. Voting it up. Shout out to Rodney, dropping that Voteinu content, keeping the communities excited and engaged. Definitely good look right there, man, from all the influencers. You know, we can see every single day there's somebody talking about Voteinu on the YouTube side, which is a really good sign. You don't want to, you know, look at projects. I mean, you can look at them if you want to, but you want to have projects where people are excited to talk about it every single day. You know, somebody's bringing up something about it. But now let's take a look at Voteinu on the charts. We have a pattern forming here, just something simple that I want y'all to pick up on, just to check out really quick. Voteinu right now trading at that 1513 level, down 0.8% in the last 24 hours. But take a look at this here. We are forming what we would call a triple bottom. Now, here's the one area here. Here's the second area here. And here's that third area here. Now I want to show y'all on Google a triple bottom chart pattern how this plays out. So take a look here. Normally we get with a triple bottom chart pattern, we see the first bottom, we see support kick in, we see some impulse, we see a resistance area there, we see a correction again to make the second bottom, we see an impulse from there again up into this breakout line, and we see a correction again to form the third bottom, to eventually the price breaks out above this line here and just continues to go. So that's what we're looking forward to. So let's go back to the vechain chart and take a look at what we could potentially have here. Okay, so this is telling us, you know, right around this range, the price wants to move. So let's draw our resistance line so we can see we're, you know, having resistance right around this area. So once the price trades, you know, once it has that impulse again and it retests this area here, we're likely to break outside of this resistance point and continue to trade around this range. Hopefully we can see the price give or take a little bit, you know, around that 2,500 points per coin level. Now, give or take a little bit. And this also coincides, if we look left, where our upper Bollinger Band tells us, you know, is the highest level that, you know, we could possibly see in the near future, which is that 2,400 range. So remember, I said give or take a little bit. But this is what I'm looking forward to. I'm looking forward to vechain having an impulse, basically a breakout, you know, or trading in the positive price action up to this breakout line here and breaking this line to give us this run up to the 2,500 points per coin level. So that's what I'm looking forward to right now. Really good time to grab some vechain from a technical standpoint. We take a look at the RSI. We can see RSI very low at a 39 right now. Last time we seen the RSI around this low, take a look. We are right now at a 39. Last time we were in this range, we seen that mega breakout right here around February 1st when Volt went from that 711 level to that 1,500 points per coin level. So keep that in mind. Just wanted to show y'all that, just let y'all know what's on the horizon. This does, you know, no crystal ball here. I can't say this is guaranteed, but this is what's likely to happen. Also, that MACD is far under that signal line, telling us that it has a lot of room to begin to curl up or to give that heads up that the price is about to start moving up. Once this line crosses this red line, once we get this blue line crossing this red line here, that's a sign for investors to go long. And once that happens, usually the rest of the market chases in. So we can likely fill up this area here. And if the MACD crosses anywhere in this point, it's definitely going to launch it above this resistance line here. And we could possibly get this to play out what we're seeing right here. So that's my update for vechain for today. Shout out to y'all for rocking with me, man. Let's go over to CoinMarketCap, see what CoinMarketCap is saying about vechain. Overall crypto market cap pumping right now, y'all. $1.21 trillion market cap, up about 3% right now. So vechain right now at a $73 million market cap. Right now, under that $100 million market cap level that we know we were finding a nice support on. So right now, this is basically a discount time to be accumulating vechain. $9.8 million in volume in the last 24 hours, which is down 30%. So it's still very, very decent volume, you know, for a slow day, basically. But that's all we got for this video, man. Shout out to everybody for rocking with me. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.